Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And right here in this left section we have to scroll down and localize the apps. So this is the list of all apps which are currently installed on your device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, especially those which you are frequently using, and to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they are occupying the memory, and even though for separate apps this memory is not a lot, I mean the cache is not a lot, summing them up will make a quite significant amount of memory which you can release. So what do you have to do? Simply enter the specific app, for example the camera, then go to storage, and here we've got this cache section. So simply tap on clear data, and here it's important to tap on clear cache. I do not recommend tapping on clear all data unless you wish to make the app brand new. So simply tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and as you can see your device will immediately remove it and obviously release some memory. So as I said, just go through all of those apps and remove cache where possible. Moreover, I recommend using the cleaner, which is pre-installed on this device by the developer, so for sure you've got one, just find it. And just open the cleaner, and here your device will quickly count the amount of memory which it can release. So for example the cache files. However, as you can see, those cache files are not the same which I've shown you before. So the previous option you have to do manually, and here here we've got also different categories like packages, residuals, or memory. So just tap on cleanup, and thanks to it you can temporarily make your device faster. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.